What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Juso Creator back with another video. Y'all, I got a big project right here. What I'm finna do, I gotta sand it down. We're gonna go another color on this RV because I don't like the old look. So we're gonna strip it down, sand it down, and we're gonna make this bad boy look futuristic. This fairly old RV. It's a 1995 Shasta, but you know, it's seen its days. That ladder's broke on it, so I'm gonna take that ladder off the back. We're gonna sand everything down, and like I said, we just want to kind of update it, make it up to par a little bit. I'm gonna go back white, and then once I go back white, I'm gonna let it cure out, and then once everything cure out, I'm gonna go back with my design stripes. I went online and looked at a couple of stripes that I like, so we're gonna put them bad boys on there. I started sanding down on it already. You can't really tell, but I've been doing some work on it with the sandpaper. Put this bad boy up and get it ready to paint. That way it should look good. But y'all stay tuned with me on this journey because the after is gonna look amazing. Get that logo off, scrub on there. Y'all look here. Little ants crawling on it because it's been sitting under this tree. So I gotta get up under this tree. Probably gonna have to rewash it down again, but overall, we're gonna get this bad boy right, so stay tuned. Signing out. While I'm taping this RV, I got the windows sealed off. That's tarp, that's not actual glass. I got the sides over here. Get that nice and rough. To lay on. The back side, get this bad boy painted up and looking good. Go ahead and finish sanding this down. Do a little more sanding on that hood. I'm praying that it take, which I believe it will. So we're just gonna go ahead and paint up and see what she look like. I don't know if it's gonna take 3 gallons of paint, but I got 2 hardeners, so they told me it's half a quart to every gallon. If I'm saying that right, got 3 gallons, $100 a gallon. That's some high dollar paint, but at $100 a gallon, it's worth it. So got the paint right here. It's real thin because this is epoxy paint for RVs. So we finna get ready to spray this thing down. Getting them done. Take a while to do this, but we getting it. Got to paint it. Got to spray it down. Then I gotta let it dry for about a month. And I gotta put the decals on there. So I think, you know what I'm saying? I think it turned out pretty good. She got a shine on it. Put a lot of thick layers of paint on there so she can stick. Nice look like Cats for the Ghost. Yes, sir. This is the end result, man. Nice shiny finish. Look at that. It took me probably about 4 or 5 hours to get it sand down, prepped and everything. Mind you that I was going hard and like staying at it. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even take a break. I stayed at it 5 hours straight, didn't even stop. So I could get this thing painted and finished. As I was painting the other day, I had a open in my tape. My tape had came off, didn't realize it. And so paint ended up getting on here, but that's no biggie because I'm finna customize this anyway. Gonna go with another color, so I ain't even worrying about that. But look at the paint job on here, man. I mean, that's crispy clear. Look at that. Only thing Mako could have did a job that good. But yeah, that's it. Well, look, let me show y'all something. Check this out. Bam. Listen, man. I'm finna put some 22s on 35s. We're gonna lift this thing up, man. We finna lift it up, bro. We finna skyjack it, man. This is kind of a visual on what it's gonna look like with the wide tires on it. I got a 55-inch screen going in the living room. I got a 42-inch screen going in the bedroom back here. Also got probably gonna go with a little 15 or 10-inch screen in the bathroom. That way, if you end up doing your business, you can watch TV. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this has been a fun project. Y'all listen. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. Feel free, man. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment. Tell me y'all thoughts on this thing. Do you like it? Is it a no or is it a go? You know what I'm saying? All hate welcome. All positive vibes welcome. It don't even make me none. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, she gonna have the wide tires on it, 35s. On 22s, I'm probably gonna put like a, maybe, I ain't gonna go too stupid on the lift. Now I'll probably go with the like, depending on, cause these are not the actual rims and tires that I'm gonna put on here. I'm actually going with dually rims and tires. So I'm gonna have to sit it up in the air about 6 inches. So it's gonna be I'll take that back. I don't think I wanna do 6 inches. I might go about 4 inches. Might go about 4 inches because I don't want this thing this stupid high, you know what I'm saying, to make it top heavy. And I don't want this thing rocking as I'm driving. I know you're probably thinking, nah, that's not gonna work. You're not gonna jack an RV up, put 35s and wide tires on. It's not gonna work. But let me tell you something. I got a team of heavily skilled partners. They can build a whole RV with their eyes closed, possibly. You know what I'm saying? Not to over exaggerate, but these guys, man, they know what they're doing. So I've been knowing them ever since I was 9 years old, man. They're gonna help me put this thing together with doing the lift setup on the tires and everything, you know, getting the tires on. That's gonna be farther down the line. I just wanted to show y'all a visual on what it's gonna look like for the future reference. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe like I was saying, so that way you don't miss out on this build that I'm doing to this RV. I got decals I'm gonna put on here. Really not for sure what color I wanna go yet with the decals. I do got to put the name back on. We're going LED lights all the way around, all the way on the inside. So inside gonna be decked out LED from the kitchen all the way to the bedroom. Then from the outside all the way around gonna be decked out. I'm gonna get some name scrolling LEDs. So this is a Shasta. So when I do get the LEDs on the bottom at night, when they glow, it's gonna say Shasta. It's gonna be in a rotating form that rotates all the way around the RV. That says Shasta. Probably gonna bring them off on the top right here and let them scroll down to the ground. So that way when they do rotate, it will be a full rotation all the way around the RV. I do got to take this off. I didn't realize I still had that on there. So I had to go ahead and paint it anyway. Knock the light off up there, but it's no biggie. You know what I'm saying? No biggie at all. I like that back end look because it got that classic. Y'all listen, this is a 95 Shasta, but I didn't like the old look on it because that looked too old fashioned. So we're gonna bring it up to date a little bit. I am gonna tint the windows on here. I know they look like they already tinted, but they're not. Also, I'm gonna put some LED head lenses in here because I don't like them old-fashioned 1995 headlights in there. So we're gonna put LEDs in there. I might put halos in there. The grill, we're gonna paint the grill. Also, and that emblem right there, I want to get that emblem to glow. I gotta paint the windshield wipers and everything. What else? What else? What else? So it's a lot of more stuff I'm gonna do to the thing. That's why I say I got speakers right here. Speakers on the outside. But not only am I gonna have speakers on the outside, I'm gonna actually put a TV mount and probably mount a 55 on the outside. So it's not gonna, either I'm gonna cut a hole in the side, build it into the wall, and put a panel screen on it, or I'm just gonna put a hang mount right there, and then when I set up at my spots, I can just go ahead and hang the TV on there, and then, you know, watch TV on the outside. I do gotta get another awning, cause my awning ripped down on me, so we'll be getting another awning. And yeah, so like I said, I got a whole lot more stuff that I'm gonna do to this thing. This is just the beginning. So I'm having a good time getting this thing right. I've been enjoying it. You know, I had it for about a year now, and I said, now let me go ahead and pimp this thing on out. So it's gonna be one pimped out RV when I get done with it. Stay tuned, y'all. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Be safe. Have a blessed week, man. Signing out.